Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. This is the month of February, which means it's Valentine's, and for that I sense that you might need another icebreaker template. So I bring to you this template called Love It or Hate It Cupid Swipe Icebreaker. Now, if you want to use this template, you click on the blue button to use this template. I have copied this template across to my Miro board, and basically the idea is actually quite simple. There are some instructions over here as well, but essentially this template is just like an app, right? It's just like a dating app. It presents to you a different scenario, and all of these scenarios are on these images. So go ahead, collect your group, and as a facilitator you would present this scenario. Customize keyboards. What do people think about it? Do people like it? Then you swipe right. If people don't like it, then you swipe left, and then you keep doing that for all of your images. So the Sphinx cat, maybe people don't like the Sphinx cat, so you just swipe left, and you keep doing that for all the images that show up in this particular app. And there's heaps of them, and of course towards the end you have some more controversial images, so you might want to give it a try. You might want to swipe and see what are the other scenarios that exist in this template. So anyway, this was Love It or Hate It Cupid Swipe Icebreaker. Give this video a like if you have liked this template. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because that really helps. And of course, add a comment down below and tell me what is your favorite Valentine's story. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.